Good morning to all. I hope all are keeping fine and fit at home. Last classes we revised Unit 3 and Unit 7 revision. Today we are going to start Unit 10 measurement revision. Unit 10 measurement revision. For each and everything I am not going to revise it. With this all things are already we have uploaded in your website. This all videos still it is available in your website, and also in the live section also I explained this all things. Revision exercise that we have done already, that fill in the blanks. 3 kg is equal to 3000 gram, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, 4 kg is equal to 4000 gram, and 5 meter is equal to 500 centimeter, 3 meter is equal to 300 centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 6 liter, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter, 6 liter is equal to 6000 milliliter, 5 liter is equal to 5000 milliliter. Likewise, 8000 milligram is equal to 8 gram, 1000 gram makes 1 gram, so 2000 gram make 2 gram, 2000 milligram make it 2 gram, 3000 milligram make it 3 grams, 4000 milligrams make it 3 gram. Okay, 8000 milligram is equal to 8 gram. 2000 meter is equal to 2 kilometer. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. 2000 meter is equal to 2 kilometer. 15 meter is equal to 1500 centimeter. Then this is very important. Which unit of measurement you will use to measure? Your weight, kilogram, water in a bottle, liter, height of a tree, meter, your height, centimeter, weight of your school bag, kilogram, distance between two cities, kilometer, length of a cupboard, meter, medicines in a bottle, milliliter. Next we are going to revise measurement of length. That we use scale or ruler to measure length, or measuring tape. We use scale, measuring tape or ruler to measure the length of an object. Then what is the standard unit of length? Meter and meter. What is the standard unit of length? Meter. Spelling of meter, M-E-T-R-E. Then in short, meter is written as small letter M. Standard unit of length is meter. Short form of meter is small letter M. Smaller lengths are measured in centimeters. Smaller lengths are measured in centimeters. Centimeter is can written as small letter Z and small letter M. Meter, centimeter, kilometer. Okay. Standard unit of length is meter, and smaller lengths are measured in centimeter, and longer lengths are measured in kilometer. Longer distance are measured in kilometer. Short form of kilometer is equal to K and M. Small letter K and M. Then that 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter. 1 meter. 1000 meter is equal to 1 kilometer. Or 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. And 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Or 10 millimeter makes 1 centimeter. Okay. Then short form of millimeter is mm. Small letter M and small letter M. Then exercise 10.1. That also we have given already. That you can see from your videos. Question number 3. Exercise 10.1. Question number 3. Length of the cloth for stitching a dress. That is meter. Distance between, if you write in capital letter M, you will not get a mark. You have to write small letter M. Distance between Delhi and Goa, kilometer, K and M. Length of your palm, centimeter. Length of a table, meter. Height of a mountain, meter. Then conversion of the following conversion. already we have learned conversion of bigger unit to smaller unit. Whenever we convert bigger unit to smaller unit, there we use a multiplication. Okay, there we use a multiplication. To convert a bigger unit to smaller unit, we have to multiply. Here we are going to convert kilometers to meter. Kilometers to meter. To convert kilometers to meter, we have to multiply by 1000. Okay, kilometers to meter. Here 15 kilometer 200 meter. 15 kilometer 200 meter. First we have to write 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Here 15 kilometer is there. 15 kilometer 200 meter is equal to 15 multiplied by 1000 meter plus 200 meter. Okay, first we have to convert kilometers. 15 kilometers to meter. 15 multiplied by 1000 meter plus 200 meter. 15,000 meter plus 200 meter. 15,000 meter plus 200 meter. This we have to add in the rough column. Otherwise you will make a mistake. Many of you are writing 15,000 writing, then you are writing 200. That is not 15,000 plus 200. We will get 15,200. These three places change to 200. 15,200 meter. This is the way you are supposed to write. Okay. Then convert meters to centimeter. Convert meters to centimeter. Meter to centimeter. To convert meter to centimeter. To convert meters to centimeter, we have to multiply by 100 meter. 100 centimeters make a 1 meter. So to convert meters to centimeter, we have to multiply by 100 because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Here 15. Here also I am going to write 15 centimeter and 20 meter. 15 centimeter and 20 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 15 centimeter and 20 meter is equal to 15 multiplied by 100 centimeter plus 20 centimeter is equal to 1500. Because when we multiply by 100, we have to place to 0. 1500 centimeter plus 20 is equal to 1520 centimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Here 15 centimeter and 20 meter. To convert, first we have to convert 15 centimeter to 15 here question is 15 meter and 20 centimeter. Okay, 15 meter and 20 centimeter. So 15 meter we have to change into centimeter. 15 meter 20 centimeter is equal to 15 multiplied by 100 centimeter. Here not centimeter, 15 meter and 20 centimeter. 15 meter we have to convert into centimeter first. 15 multiplied by 100 centimeter plus 20 centimeter is equal to 15 multiplied by 100 1500 centimeter plus 20 centimeter is equal to 1500 plus 20 is equal to 1520 centimeter. Okay, this is the way we have to do it. Next, to convert centimeters to millimeter. To convert centimeters to millimeter, there we should multiply by 10 because 10 millimeters make 1 centimeter or 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. To convert centimeters to millimeter, we should multiply by 10. 10 centimeters, 15 millimeters. 10 centimeter and 15 millimeters to millimeter. First we have to, this 15 millimeter, it is already in millimeter. So 1 millimeter is equal to, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Okay, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Here 10 centimeter and 15 millimeter is equal to 10 multiplied by 10 millimeter. Okay, 10 multiplied by 10 millimeter plus 15 millimeter is equal to 10 tens are 100 millimeter plus 15 millimeter. Okay, 100 millimeter plus 15 millimeter is equal to 115 millimeter. Here once again 10 centimeter 15 millimeter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. Here 10 centimeter and 15 millimeter is equal to, first we have to convert this 10 centimeter to millimeter. 10 multiplied by 10 millimeter is plus 15 millimeter. 15 millimeter is equal to 10 multiplied by 10, 100 millimeter. Here also we have to write 100 millimeter. 100 millimeter plus 15 millimeter is equal to 100 plus 15, 115 millimeter. Okay. Then fourth and fifth question is not there. Okay. Now we have revised measurement of length. What are the instruments we use to measure the length? We use scale, measuring tape or ruler to measure the length. And standard unit of length is meters. Short form of meter is small letter m. And short distance are measured in centimeter. Short form of centimeter is cm. Long distance are measured in kilometer. Short form of kilometer is km. Small letter k and small letter m. And distance between two cities are measured in kilometers. And the 10 millimeters make a 1 centimeter. 100 centimeters make a 1 meter. And 1000 meters make a 1 kilometer. Okay. Then also we have learned a conversion. To convert kilometers to meter, we multiply by 1000. And if there is any meter, that we should add after the multiplication. Then to convert meters to centimeter, we have to multiply by 100. To convert centimeters to millimeter, we should multiply by 10. Okay. Then that exercise 10.3, addition and subtractions and word problem also there, that we can revise next class. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day.